a 2-digit number. So 607, it means a 3-digit number, we have to divide by 17. See students, if you are knowing the table till 20, the divisions are going to be easy for you. If you don't know the tables till 20, suppose you know till 12 or till 15, it is going to be a little time consuming for you. See how. Suppose I don't know the table of 17. Okay, I have to divide 607 by 17, but I don't know the table of 17. Then what I'm going to do? I will multiply 17 by 1s, 2s, 3s, 4s, 5s, and then I will get my numbers. That is the case. See here. Suppose I don't know the table, then how I will proceed the division? My first number is 6, which is less than 17. So I take whole 60 here. I'll read the table of 17, which I don't know. But I know that 60 will not come 2s or 3s. I'm just doing a guessing. So what I'll do, I'll multiply 17 by 4 and I'll check what number I'm getting. So 4 7s are 28, 2 carry, 4 1s are 4 plus 2, 6. I got 68. 68 is more than 60. It means I will not go for 4s, I'll go for 3s. So let's do the multiplication by 3. Okay. 3 7s are 21, 2 carry, 3 1s are 3 plus 2, 5. I'm getting 51. It means I'll go for 3s. So this is the case if you don't know the table of 17. But if you know the table of 17, you will simply read the table. 17 2s are 34, 17 3s are 51, and 17 4s are 68, which is more than 60. So I will go for 3s. 17 3s are 51. Do the subtraction. 0 minus 1 not possible, so we'll take the borrowing from 6. It will be 10. 10 minus 1 will be 9. After giving 1 to 0, it will be 5, and 5 minus 5 you will get 0. Next digit 7 you will copy down. Now I got the number 97. Again, I don't know the table. What I'll do, I will multiply, but you have to multiply with a little brain. Like 17 3s, you will not start from 1s, you will multiply 17 by 1, then you will see by 2, by 3, by 4. No, just use your brain. 17 3s, we got 51. It means around half of 97 I'm getting in 3s. So I will check by 6s. Okay, let's see what I'm going to get. 6 7s are 42. 6 1s are 6 plus 4, 10. 102 I'm getting, which is more than 97. So I'll go for 5s. Let's check by 5. 5 7s are 35. 3 carry. 5 1s are 5 plus 3, 8. So I'm getting 17 5s are 85. It means I'll go for 5s because 6 I'm getting a greater number. And if you know the table, you will come to know that 17 5s are 85 and 17 6 are 102. 7 minus 5 2, 9 minus 8 1. Here my quotient is 35, right? My divisor is 17, dividend is 607, and my remainder is 12. Now how I'm going to do the checking? See, everyone see, just remember the remainder. Question 2 I have already written. Remainder is my 12. I'll go for the formula. What is the formula says? What is the algorithm says? Dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. Learn this. Divisor is 17. My quotient is 35. My remainder is 12. Now what I'll do? I'll multiply 35 and 17. Okay. Now what you can do here, see, you can simply multiply 35 by 17, or what I can do here, I can use the, okay fine, go for the simple multiplication only, otherwise it is going to again take much time. See here, 35 multiply by 17. If you know the table, you can multiply directly. 17 5s are, then 17 3s are, right? 17 5s are how much? 85. 8 carry, 17 3s are 51 plus 8 59. So 595 you got directly. So see how much it is going to be beneficial for you and how much time you can save. If I don't know the table, I have to go for 2 steps multiplication. First I will multiply by 7. 7 5s are 35. free carry, 7 3s are 21 plus 3 it will be 24. Then ones are, if I'll go, I'll put cross here. 1 5s are 5, 1 3s are 3, and after addition it will be 5 5 4 9, 2 plus 3 5, 595. Okay, I'll write this 595 here plus 12. How much I'm getting? See, 5 plus 2 7, 9 plus 1 10, 0, 1 carry, 607. So have I got my dividend? Yes, it means my division is right. Okay, let's take one more example. See the next sum. This is the whole working of the same sum. Here the division has been shown. Here the working, which is not compulsory, and this is by using the algorithm we have shown that the division is right. Next is 9289 divided by 34. Now you will say, ma'am, I have learned the table till 20. Now you will tell me to learn the tables till 35 and 34 also. No, bacha. See, generally the questions comes, the numbers comes till 20. The divisor generally is till 20. But if you are getting any number which is greater than 20, then no need to learn the tables. Just follow the multiplication method which I have shown you if you don't know the table. So if 9289 I have to divide by 34, I'll go for the multiplication method. See, 9 is less than 34, I'll take whole 92. Again, I have to use my brain. See, 34. Suppose it is 30, not 34. Then double of 30 will be 60 and triple of 30 will be 90. So if I'll go for 3s, what number I'm going to get? 3 4s are 12, 3 3s are 9 plus 1 10. It is more than 92. So I'll go for 2s. Understood how we are doing the guessings? 2 4s are 8, 2 3s are 6. It means I will go for 2s. 34 2s is 68. Now 2 minus 8 not possible, so we'll take the borrowing from 9. It will be 12. 12 minus 8 it will be 4. 8 minus 6 it will be 2. Here we got 8 no, after giving 1 to 2. Now I'll copy the 8 from up. It's 248. Okay, so 34 240. Suppose my number is again 30. Okay, not 34. Then read the table of 3. 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 12, 3 5s are 15, 3 6s are 24. I got 24. So if I'll multiply 34 by 6, I'm going to get a number which is greater than 244. So I will multiply by 5 and I'll check. 34 by 5. 5 4s are 20, 2 carry, 5 3s are 15 plus 2, 17. No, 1 minute. What we have done, 3 6s are 18 we got, and 3 7s are 21, 3 8s are 24. Na? So we'll check by 7s are. 7 4s are 28, 2 carry, 7 3s are 21 plus 2, it will be 23. So 238 we are getting, right? So we'll go for 7s because 8s I am sure that we are going to get a greater number than 248. If you want, you can multiply and check. So I'll go for 7s. It is 238. Let's do the subtraction. 8 minus 8 0, 4 minus 3 1, 2 minus 2 0, and my next number is 9, which I'm going to copy. 109 is my number. Again I will see 3 4s are 12, which is around 120, so which will be more than 109. I hope you all are getting what I'm doing. I'm just checking this. See, instead of 34 I'm keeping in my mind 30. So I'm just reading the table of 3 and I'm guessing which number I'm going to get. So if I'll multiply 30 by 4, it means 3 4s are 12, and I'll just put 1 0 after that. My number is 120, which is more than 109. So I'll check for 3s. It means I will multiply this 34 by 3 and I will check what number I'm going to get. 3 4s are 12, 1 carry, 3 3s are 9 plus 1, it is 102. So I'll go for 3s. Okay, 3s it is 102. My remainder is 9 minus 2 7, 0 minus 0, 1 minus 1 0. Okay, so 7 is the remainder and this is the question. Let's rub everything. Remember, my remainder is 7. How we are going to do the checking? The algorithm says dividend. What was the remainder, students? 7. Remainder is 7. Okay. The algorithm says dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. Here my divisor is 34, my quotient is 273, my remainder is 7. So here I have to multiply 273 by 34. So I have to go for 2 steps. No other option is there. Let's do the multiplication. 273 by 34. 4 3s are 12, 1 carry. 4 7s are 28 plus 1, 29. 2 carry. 4 2s are 8 plus 2, 10, 1092. Now by 3, 3 3s are 9. Okay. 3 7s are 21. Here I am going to put cross. 3 7s are 21. 2 carry. 3 2s are 6. 1 minute. I think the last multiplication is not visible, so I'll just rub everything and I'll write small so that it will get fit. So I'm not writing the formula directly. I'll go divisor 34 into quotient 273 plus remainder, that is 7. So let's multiply now 273 by 34. Now we are having enough space here. 4 3s are 12, 1 carry. 4 7s are 28 plus 1 will be 29, 2 carry. Okay, 4 2s are 8 plus 2, 10. Now put cross below the first number. Now multiply by 3. 3 3s are 9. 3 7s are 21, 2 carry. 3 2s are 6 plus 2. It will be 8. Do the addition. 2, 9 9 18, 1 carry, 1 1 2, and 8 plus 1, 9. So 9282 we got after multiplication. 9282 plus 7 we have to do. So 7 plus 2, 9, and same 928 I'll copy. I got my number 9289. It means it's correct. Okay, so this way you have to do the checking after each and every division. I hope it's clear, students.